Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll walk through the step-by-step cooking process, creative variations, and the best ways to serve and store your cottage pie. Making the perfect mashed potato topping. The topping should be creamy, fluffy, and hold its shape when baked. Here's how to nail it. Choose the right potatoes. Russets or Yukon Golds work best. Peel, chop, and boil them until fork tender. Drain well, excess water makes gluey mash. Mash while hot. Use a potato ricer for ultra-smooth results, or a masher for a slightly rustic texture. Hot potatoes absorb butter and milk better. For every 2 pounds of potatoes, use half cup butter and half cup warm milk or cream. Stir in gradually until smooth. Season generously with salt. For extra richness, mix in an egg yolk or grated cheese like cheddar before spreading the topping. Assembling and baking. The final step brings everything together. Layer the filling. Spread the meat mixture evenly in a baking dish. Let it cool slightly. This prevents the potato topping from sinking. Top with mash. Dollop the mashed potatoes over the filling, then smooth with a spatula. For texture, drag a fork across the top to create ridges that crisp up beautifully. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden and the edges bubble. If it's not browning enough, broil for 1 to 2 minutes and watch closely. The pie is ready when the filling is bubbling around the edges and the topping is crisp in spots. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. It holds together better. For make-ahead meals, assemble the pie but refrigerate before baking. Add 10 to 15 minutes to the baking time if it goes into the oven cold. Creative variations of cottage pie. Cottage pie is a dish that welcomes creativity. While the classic version is unbeatable, playing with ingredients can transform it into something new and exciting. Whether you're catering to dietary needs or just craving a twist, these creative takes keep the comfort intact while adding fresh flavors. Vegetarian and vegan options. Meat-free doesn't mean flavor-free. Swapping out the beef for plant-based ingredients can make cottage pie just as hearty. Lentils hold their shape well and mimic the texture of ground meat. Cook them with onions, garlic, and a splash of soy sauce for a savory kick. Mushrooms add a meaty bite. Sauté them until they release their juices and agera. Textured vegetable protein can be rehydrated with vegetable broth and seasoned like you would ground beef. It soaks up flavors beautifully. For a richer filling, stir in miso paste, nutritional yeast, or a spoonful of tahini. Top with dairy-free mashed potatoes using olive oil and almond or oat milk. Gourmet twists for special occasions. Want to impress at a dinner party? Elevate cottage pie with luxury ingredients that add depth and sophistication. Red wine reduction can deglaze the meat mixture and simmer until rich and syrupy. Truffle oil drizzled over the mashed potatoes before baking adds an earthy aroma. Gourmet cheeses like aged cheddar, Gruyere or blue cheese folded into the mash add extra richness. Other upscale tweaks include folding caramelized shallots into the filling, topping with crispy fried onions or prosciutto bits for crunch, or swapping regular potatoes for a mix of sweet potatoes and parsnips for layered flavor. International flavors. Why stick to tradition when you can take cottage pie on a global tour? Keep the structure but infuse it with bold seasonings. Mexican-inspired versions spice the filling with cumin, smoked paprika, and chipotle. Mix black beans and corn into the meat, then top with mashed sweet potatoes and a sprinkle of cilantro. An Italian twist swaps beef for Italian sausage. Stir in sun-dried tomatoes, basil, and a splash of balsamic vinegar. Top with cheesy polenta instead of potatoes. An Indian spiced version cooks the filling with garam masala, turmeric, and ginger. Add peas and carrots, then finish with a coconut milk-infused mash. These variations prove that cottage pie is anything but ordinary. Whether you're keeping it plant-based, fancy, or globally inspired, the possibilities are endless. So, which version will you try first? Serving and pairing suggestions. Cottage pie is a complete meal on its own, but the right sides and drinks can take it from comforting to unforgettable. Whether you want something crisp, fresh, or indulgent, these pairings balance the richness of the dish. Leftover ideas and storage tips. Got extra cottage pie? No problem. Leftovers can be just as good, or even better, the next day. Let the pie cool completely before covering it tightly. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in airtight containers. They'll keep for 2 to 3 months. Reheat in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes. Avoid the microwave if possible, it can make the topping soggy. Creative ways to repurpose leftovers include cottage pie stuffed peppers. Hollow out bell peppers, fill with chopped leftover pie, top with extra cheese, and bake. Breakfast hash. Chop the pie into chunks and crisp it in a skillet with a fried egg on top. Shepherd's pie fries. Spread mashed potato topping on a baking sheet, bake until crispy, then top with reheated meat filling for loaded fries. What to serve with cottage pie? The best sides add texture or freshness to cut through the pie's richness. Classic pairings include steamed greens like kale, broccoli, or buttered peas for a quick, vibrant side. Crusty bread is perfect for mopping up any leftover gravy. A warm baguette or soda bread works wonders. Pickled vegetables like a tangy cucumber salad or pickled red onions brighten each bite. For something special, try roasted root vegetables. Carrots, parsnips, or beets caramelized with herbs add earthy sweetness. Cheddar-topped cauliflower roasted with a cheesy crust balances the pie's meatiness. Drink pairings. The right drink enhances the flavors without overpowering them. Beer and ale options like stout or porter have malty, roasted notes that complement the savory filling. Brown ale with a nutty, slightly sweet taste pairs well with the rich meat and potatoes. Wine options include a medium-bodied Merlot or Shiraz to match the depth of the dish. Dry cider is crisp and slightly tart, cutting through the richness. Non-alcoholic picks include sparkling water with lemon to refresh the palate between bites. Herbal tea like rosemary or thyme tea echoes the pie's herbs. Ready to serve? Keep it simple or dress it up. Either way, these pairings make every bite better. Cottage pie is the kind of dish that never goes out of style. Its humble beginnings as a budget-friendly meal have turned it into a timeless favorite, loved for its rich flavors and simple comfort. The beauty of it lies in its adaptability. Whether you stick to tradition or get creative with ingredients, it always delivers warmth and satisfaction. Try your own twists. Swap the meat, mix up the spices, or play with toppings. Every version tells a different story. When you find a combination you love, share it. Food tastes better when it's made with curiosity and shared with others. So grab a fork, dig in, and make this classic your own. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.